The plot of land in the center of District 1, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, measures 3 meter wide and 10 meter long and was chosen as the site for the construction of a house. The homeowner's main desire was to have a spacious and comfortable house with abundant green spaces, emphasizing the importance of family connections. Once the construction was completed, the interior of the house was designed with inspiration drawn from tropical landscapes, incorporating various shades of blue representing the sea, sky, and forests. On the ground floor, carefully selected decorative items in warm tones create a visually captivating environment, allowing users to easily identify the essential areas and functionalities of the house. The choice of colors also injects vitality and freshness into the modern living spaces. To enhance the ventilation of the house, the facade is adorned with turquoise wind-blown cotton tiles. These tiles not only add to the aesthetic appeal but also allow wind and natural light to enter, while shielding the house from the scorching Saigon heat. Incorporating the tropical nature into the living room design, the space is adorned with abundant greenery such as plants and flowers. The inclusion of green elements in urban architecture is a prominent feature of modern townhouses, aiming to reduce stress and fatigue. To achieve the owner's desire of a resort living space, the solution includes incorporating multiple levels and a terrace. The first level, which is accessible from the street, can be utilized as a parking area or as a versatile space for business activities, which is common in Ho Chi Minh City. The mezzanine level houses the kitchen and a designated dining area. The second and third levels feature 3 bedrooms. Lastly, the top floor boasts a swimming pool and a yoga pod situated on the terrace.